Nah, make me Pickney come grow up under some Chaka Chaka government. Jamaican man calls out PNP over past economic woes. A passionate Jamaican man is stirring the pot with a fiery challenge to the public, urging the people to remember what the economy was like under past administrations, especially the People's National Party, PNP. Me nah make me Pickney grow up under no Chaka Chaka government, he declared, as he questioned the state of the economy 15 years ago compared to today. According to him, under the PMP, road licenses were locked down and hard to get. As a result, many taxi operators were forced to run robot taxis unlicensed, unregulated, and constantly under threat of being seized. Unnew, remember? Every minute dem a tech where man taxi offer the road, he said, pointing out that during the PNP era, transportation operators were under pressure and struggling to survive. He claimed that today there are significantly more licensed taxis operating legally, and many taxi men now own multiple new vehicles, paying for them with ease and without fear of seizure.
I would want to ask the people them say, how they say Jamaica no better today than what it was 15 years ago. I want to ask you, because I know say in 2006 I was talk about taxi operator owners. Because I know say in 2006 and after that, you buy a vehicle, you could have get a road license for it. One road license which should have cost you $10,000 or cost you $15,000. You buy a vehicle or just one two banks, so you go put it on the road to make some money. You can't get no road license. You have to have you run up and down on the road and run from police as robot. PMP lock down road license. You can't get a road license. A road license if it cost you $10,000. You have to try buy back from somebody for $100,000. You remember that? You don't look like you remember that. Under PMP hand, you have enough is robot taxi on the road. Under PMP hand, you just a vehicle and you not get for own it. You remember that? You remember the first time when they tell you about loan you used to talk, say if you take out a loan you have to pay for your vehicle 2 times. You remember that? You remember saying at them time that if you just a vehicle you could end up a bank would end up easy when last you see one vehicle go up on record. People are buying most expensive vehicle right now at just the bank and I pay for it comfortable. One man I have all 3, 4, 5 vaccine to bank and I pay for comfortable. You don't remember that? You could have pay a loan. You borrow one loan, borrow $3 million from one bank to buy one Toyota Hiace in 2006. You get 60 months to pay back. And you have to pay $110,000 a month to do the maths. You borrow $3 million, you get 60 months to pay back and you have to pay $110,000 a month. Remember that? Now, you borrow $3 million, you have to pay like 150 or 160 grand for 170 months. Do the maths. You know, if you wise up, man, Jamaica better today than what it was in the past year. Don't make people fool you. A hard life you no love so. Better we want man for we Pickney them. Me no want see my Pickney come up come grow under some Chaka Chaka government.